Looking, guys! In front of us, there are lots of superhero characters covered in mud. Now, let's clean it together so it looks clean. Are you ready? Okay, good. Let's start cleaning them one by one. See, we start with the first one. Look at the pink color. Wow! Look, guys! This is my superhero, Captain America! Amazing! Let's jump up, let's run faster than just save the world at last. This is blue color. Wow! Look, guys! This is my superhero, Ant-Man! Amazing! This is purple color! Amazing! This is my superhero, Spiderman! Amazing! Look, this is green color! Wonderful! This is my superhero, the Green Hulk. Amazing! This is purple color. Ironman flies way up high. He's so strong but nice, you know. Let's jump up. Very nice. This is my superhero, the Green Thanos. Amazing! Look at the pink color. Captain America's shield is lightning zap, thunder's here. Clap, clap, clap. And now, this is my superhero, the Batman. Amazing! Look, this is green color. Looking, guys, this is my superhero Iron Man. Amazing! This is blue color. Who it is? This is my superhero, the Flash. color.
Yay! Do their thing. Yay! Iron Man flies way up high.
This is my superhero Superman.
Amazing!
Let's jump up. Let's run fast. Avengers.
Okay, finish guys. See you the next video. Bye bye.
Hold my hand.
Thanks you for watching.
Be afraid.